Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito the easy way. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh mint, white rum, a lime, some simple syrup, and club soda. For one delicious mojito, aim for about 10 to 12 mint leaves, 1.5 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. It's all about fresh, quality components for the best taste. Now let's get to the fun part. Muddling. In your chosen glass, gently combine the fresh mint leaves with 1 ounce of lime juice and 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Remember, a light touch is key. We want to release the mint's oils, not tear the leaves. Over-muddling can make your drink bitter. Next, pour in 1.5 ounces of white rum, then fill your glass generously with crushed ice. Give it a good stir to blend everything beautifully. Almost there. To complete your easy mojito, top it off with about 2 to 3 ounces of club soda. You can adjust this amount based on how strong or fizzy you like your drink. For that perfect finishing touch, grab a fresh lime wedge and place it on the rim of your glass. Then, gently clap a sprig of mint between your hands to release its aroma and tuck it into the drink. This adds a lovely fragrance and a professional look. And there you have it, your perfectly crafted, easy mojito. Serve it right away to enjoy the crisp, refreshing flavors at their peak. Take a moment to savor the delightful balance of sweet simple syrup, tart lime, and invigorating mint, all complemented by the smooth white rum. This simple guide helps you create one fantastic drink. Feel free to experiment with a splash of fruit juice for a fun twist next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.